All right, guys, let's get this box open. Of course. Smaller one, maybe next time. Okay, this box is opening a little different than previous Mindstorm sets. It actually has a lift-off lid, and as you can see inside, they have these sections. They're not separated, but they have these sections where you'll sort out your elements in that plum color. And we have our bags here. They're unnumbered, so I'm gonna count these out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 element bags, and we have this new color and this 11 by 17 new plate, and then you're going to have your one more. You're going to have your 4 medium motors, 3, 4 different color, and your download cable color sensor, which is exactly the same as Spike Prime, and ultrasonic sensor, which is exactly the same in Spike Prime. Get those out of the way. Same kind of sorting thing on the other tray. Stickers that'll go on your elements. And let's take a look at the brain. The brick. Get that levered up. Really excited to see this color. Wow, pretty cool. So you're gonna have your Mindstorm port, your brick hub there, and it's really light, really hollow, and you're gonna have rechargeable battery with the retail set. Now that is a plus. So you have those parts there, and you line up your insert, put that right inside, and most of the time, did I put that in correct? No, I just didn't put it in well. Most of the time it's already charged up. Let's get the first run on charging it up. And there we go. Not the heart, but the play symbol. So this is your Mindstorm hub, new with color and rechargeable battery, and this lays flat, so when you need to, you'll just plug this into a wall port or your computer, and it'll charge this up great for you. Well, I'm going to get to sorting out some pieces here, and stay tuned for the next part of this video. I'll get these opened up, and thank you guys for joining, and see you for the next part of this video.